Greetings, Learwood and Open Door. Today is Thursday, November 18th.
And today is National Camp Day. Do you like to camp? If so, where is your favorite place to camp?
I am Sam Ferrone,
And I am Jack O'Toole.
and here are your Learwood announcements for today.
Attention all 7th and 8th grader students. This Friday, Builders Club will be volunteering at Open Door, and all are welcome. If you have never been to Builders Club, this is a great time to join. If you are free, we will meet in room 223 and head over together. Once at Open Door, we will be gardening, so bring gloves and a coat. No gardening experience needed. We will be there until 4:30. Let Mrs. Fleming know if you have any questions. We hope to see you there.
Here is what you can expect this week for lunch.
Attention all students interested in ski club. We are still planning on having ski club this year, but we are still getting organized. Please join the Google Classroom and follow us on Twitter for more information.
Well, that's it for today's announcements. As always,
Remember to stay safe and always be classy, Learwood.